Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. Hey everyone, so today we're going to be making something quick, simple, delicious and healthy. It's going to be granola energy bites. Now I know in every episode I say everything is simple and easy, but trust me, this one involves no cooking or baking at all. So it's really simple, so let's get started. So these energy bites, not only are they delicious, but they're super healthy because they're packed with a lot of vitamins and a lot of nutrients. So to begin, I have a bowl here, and it's basically just going to mix everything together. But first I have to process a few things, right? So I have our brand here, Cuisine, and I have some white roasted nuts, peanuts, and I have some flax seeds. So we're going to blend that first. So I'm going to start by grinding the flax seed. Right, so in goes my flaxseed. And next I'm going to work on my peanuts. So I have the white roasted peanuts here from Cuisine. So next I'm adding some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. Now I'm just going to put it on a pulse. Now I don't want to intentionally have a powder form, I just want to break down the seeds so that you can have little bits or pieces when you get to chew the bite. So this is what I'm talking about. It's not that it's going to be broken down to like a powder form, but all the pieces of the seeds just broken down a little bit. Right, so I'm just going to add this. Right. And next here I have my oats. So these are instant quick oats. And the last thing we're going to process are the seedless dates. Right, we also have from our brand again, Cuisine. So I'm just going to add this in. So I'm just going to add some honey to the dates. So what the honey did to the dates is that it created this really nice, rich, smooth texture. And that's what we want to add to this, right? So I'm just going to scoop it out. So remember when I said no cooking or baking involved, I was telling you the truth, guys, but this part is the hard part because it's going to take some upper body strength, right? We're going to mix everything together. Okay guys, so it took me some time, but I finally got it together. Right, I'm just going to add a few more ingredients again. Right, I have some raisins here from Cuisine. At this point, feel free to add whatever you like. I have some chia seeds. Chia seeds are really high in fiber and great with omega-3s. And to be honest, guys, this is packed with so much healthy goodness. I just wanted to indulge a little bit. So I'm going to add some mini dark chocolate chips here. Right, and I'm going to mix everything together now. This is coming along really nicely. It looks delicious. Now I'm going to scoop them out. I don't have an ice cream scoop with me. Feel free to use any ice cream scoop you like, a mini one or a regular size. I'm just going to use this tablespoon measurement here and just scoop out the mixture. So I'm just going to scoop it out and press it in. All right? And I'm going to take my time and roll each one into a bowl. So if you want, just press it together to help it come along and just roll it into a bowl. And it's that simple. So I finally rolled out all the balls, guys, and I must say they look amazing. They're so cute and adorable and they look delicious, right? So I'm gonna try. Oh my god. This is like so rich. And it's so decadent because, you know, you have these little chocolate chips in between. This is a really great snack for like, if you're on the go. For me personally, I'm always busy in the morning. So like, it's like just perfect to like pick you up, you know. And it's packed with a lot of nutrients in it, so it's perfect for the day. This is really good. Wow. As always, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, I have to admit, I had about like 5 already. They're addictive, you know, because it's so like mini and it's so tasty. Until next time, guys. Bye.